Hi, this is Mark at Ding Dong's Garden. This is pink champagne currant. My understanding is that it's in the red currant family, but because it doesn't have a lot of color to the berry, it's translucent and it ends up kind of looking pink when it's ripe, like they are now. For all currants, when the currant is lighter in color and it's ripe, it's generally the lighter it is, the less tart it is, and the more appropriate it is for fresh eating. There's some black currants out there that taste quite mild, but there's not as many. So when you think about fresh eating currants, you want to look for the red or white, or in this case, pink. This is pink champagne currant. It's in the red currant family, but it is translucent and it is milder tasting, so you can eat this one fresh. Although you could still cook it or bake it into pastries and things like that if you want to.